To dinner, there's new controversy over the American diet. The government is out with new guidelines, the first update in 5 years over what we should eat and what we should avoid. This year, there's a big push for all of us to cut back on America's sugar addiction. And as NBC's Tom Costello reports, not everyone's happy about some surprises left off the warning list.
Here's your milk.
With a registered dietitian in the home, the Scritchfields are already focused on eating the right foods.
We'll just do a little bit of beans.
Today, the government's top health experts said most Americans can do better. Among the dietary recommendations, cut way back on sugar. Hidden in everything from prepackaged soups to salad dressing to pasta sauce. 1 jar of pasta sauce can contain the equivalent of a candy bar in sugar.
So when you're cooking at home, you can control ingredients like sodium and sugar, and it is important to help to reduce sugar intake as much as possible.
The new dietary guidelines out today call for sugar to make up no more than 10% of our daily calories. So all of us have to pay attention to labels. The government's My Plate Nutrition Guide sounds familiar. More fruits and veggies, lean protein, whole grains, and low-fat dairy, and a lot less salt.
You should think about what you should do to eat and prevent diseases and also to save health care costs.
But critics say the guidelines don't go far enough. Based on new science, the government is dropping this recommendation to limit egg consumption on foods high in cholesterol. And it's declined to steer people away from red meat. The American Institute for Cancer Research saying it was dismayed that lobbying efforts superseded scientific evidence. Has the food lobby had an oversized role in setting these guidelines?
I think we have a strong set of recommendations that are not impacted in any undue way, but have listened to all the voices.
Indeed, the sugar industry criticized the recommendations to cut sugar consumption.
What's your favorite vegetable, Audrey?
Rice.
A healthier diet, 1 plate at a time. Tom Costello, NBC News, Washington.
A state of emergency has been declared in